Okay, on Wednesdays we're going to look at our text features from the book. That is the table of contents, the glossary, the photo captions, any maps that are in there, and that's also the day we're going to have a little worksheet. So remember our focus question, why are Big Ben and Westminster Palace a famous landmark? Our table of contents tells us the main ideas for each section. A famous bell, an old building, burned down and built up, Parliament, an amazing clock, and Ben the Unstoppable. And don't forget, this is a map of the United Kingdoms. It shows where it's located on a world map. And the Westminster Palace is located in London, which is right here. It says an average-sized person could fit inside Big Ben many times over. The height of the tower, this one right here, is 316 feet. The bell size is 9 feet wide and 7.2 feet tall. So that's average, or taller than an average person. And the weight is 14.3 tons. Remember in our story it said it's heavier than 2 elephants. The number of steps to the top is 334. In the Parliament building here, there's 100 staircases, 1,100 rooms, and 3 towers. The building's made of French and English limestone. Westminster Hall is famous for its wooden roof. It's the largest wooden roof of its kind in Northern Europe. The painting from the London Museum shows the fire of 1834. Westminster Hall was the only building left after the fire. Here are pictures of Augustus Pugin and Charles Barry. Barry and Pugin never got to see their finished buildings. They died before the work was finished. Westminster Palace. This is a view from up above. We have Elizabeth Tower, where Big Ben is located. This is the House of Commons, the Central Tower. The House of Lords is on this side, and the Victoria Tower. In building size alone, not counting the surrounding gardens, the Palace of Westminster occupies 32,374 square meters of space in central London. There are 100 staircases and 1,100 rooms. The House of Commons has 650 members. The number of members in the House of Lords changes. Its members are given a title by the king or queen. 4 people hang on ropes to clean Big Ben's 4 faces. That's frightening. You can see them right here. Remember, they clean them once every 5 years. Each year, millions of people from around the world visit Big Ben. People listen to Big Ben's chimes and watch the fireworks on New Year's Eve. Big Ben rings every 15 minutes. People take good care of this landmark to make sure it always will. Okay, here's our glossary. Chiming means capable of making a ringing sound. House of Commons is the part of the United Kingdom's government whose members are elected, are the lower house. House of Lords is the part of the United Kingdom's government whose members are appointed, the upper house. Laws are rules or sets of rules made by governments. Parliament is part of the government of the United Kingdom, consisting of the House of Commons and the House of Lords. And the United Kingdom is a country and political union in Western Europe that includes England, Scotland, Wales, and Northern Ireland. All right, don't forget to do your worksheet for today.